Every single tech giant is currently fighting a massive war for your living room. But the crazy thing is, they're all looking in the exact wrong direction. Companies like Amazon and Roku keep pumping out these tiny, cheap streaming sticks. You know the ones. They barely run Netflix without lagging, and the menus are a nightmare. Google is also struggling right now. They're trying hard to figure out their smart home strategy, but it just feels confusing. Meanwhile, Apple has been completely silent. They have not said a word. They have let everyone in the world think that they simply gave up on the television market entirely. People think Apple just does not care about the living room anymore. But this silence is actually a highly calculated trap. Behind closed doors at their headquarters, Apple is preparing to drop a nuclear bomb on the entire tech industry in 2026. They are taking their most ignored, most forgotten product, and they are injecting it with the most advanced artificial intelligence on the planet. This new device will not just play your favorite movies and shows. That is just the beginning. It is specifically designed to kill your gaming console. It is built to completely replace your frustrating smart home hub. It will even put a totally private, lightning-fast AI server directly inside your house. You really need to hear this before you spend another single dollar on upgrading your home entertainment setup. If you buy a streaming device right now, you're going to deeply regret it. The secret to this total industry takeover lies inside the brain of the machine. For years, Apple has done something very annoying. They always used older, recycled, leftover chips to power their Apple TV boxes. They gave us the bare minimum. But that era of lazy hardware is officially dead. Hidden software codes have just exposed the truth. Apple is taking the incredibly expensive, unbelievably powerful A17 Pro chip and dropping it right into the 2026 Apple TV. This is massive news. This is the exact same supercomputer chip that currently powers their flagship, top-tier smartphones. Software sleuths have dug deep into Apple's hidden developer codes. They found unreleased device names that prove Apple is currently testing the absolute limits of this A17 Pro chip for the big screen. This 3-nanometer chip architecture is a silent revolution for the living room. It delivers explosive, unbelievable graphical power. But here's the best part. It generates almost zero heat. This means your new Apple TV will run perfectly silent. There will be zero fan noise ruining your movie nights, even when the box is being pushed to the absolute limit. But you are probably wondering something. Why would a simple little streaming box need a flagship smartphone chip? Why put a supercomputer inside a TV box? The answer is incredibly aggressive. Apple is coming directly for PlayStation and Xbox. Apple is doubling the memory of this device. They are packing it with an enormous 8 gigabytes of RAM. But that is not all. This next-generation box also fully supports hardware ray tracing. This is a massive deal. This is not for playing silly, cartoon mobile games on your television. Apple wants you playing massive, heavy, realistic console titles. They want you playing games like Resident Evil natively on your Apple TV. They're giving you maximum graphical output. They are delivering real console-level gaming for a tiny fraction of the price of a PS5. The gaming industry has absolutely no idea how to defend against this strategy. But dominating video games is just a side quest for Apple. It is not their main goal. Their real goal is total control over your physical house. Right now, setting up a smart home is a frustrating disaster. It is a total mess of broken apps, lost Wi-Fi connections, and devices that refuse to talk to each other. Apple is fixing this right now. They are forcing the 2026 Apple TV to become the permanent, flawless brain of your entire property. They even recently killed off the ability for older iPads to act as home hubs. They did this just to force everyone into this new Apple TV transition. Apple is building a brand new, highly secretive custom wireless chip called the N1. This N1 chip handles massive amounts of wireless data without breaking sweat. It brings lightning-fast Wi-Fi 7 right into your living room. It also brings deep matter integration. This means your new TV box will instantly connect to any smart lock, any security camera, or any smart light bulb perfectly. It will not matter what brand you buy. There will be zero network buffering. There will be zero setup headaches. You just plug it in, and your house becomes smart. But none of this extreme hardware matters without the right software. And this is exactly why the launch of this device was delayed. Apple deliberately pushed this device back to 2026. They absolutely refused to launch this supercomputer without a completely rebuilt Siri. The 2026 Apple TV is built entirely around Apple Intelligence. Because of that powerful A17 Pro chip, your voice requests will never be sent to a slow, distant cloud server ever again. Every single thing you ask is processed instantly on the device itself. This gives you total privacy. Your television will actually understand complex human emotions. You can ask it to find movies based on a highly specific mood, and generative AI will build a custom list just for you in seconds. It is a true, dedicated AI server that lives right under your television. To achieve total global dominance, Apple is preparing to do something they almost never do. They're going to slash the price. The next Apple TV will target an aggressive price tag of under $100 or maybe $129 at the absolute maximum. This completely flips the tech world upside down. Think about what you are getting. You are getting an A17 Pro supercomputer. You are getting a high-end gaming console. You are getting a universal smart home router. And you are getting an on-device AI mainframe. All of this for the price of a cheap dinner. Apple is perfectly positioning this Trojan horse to wipe out the competition forever. So do not buy a new streaming stick right now. Do not upgrade your smart home hubs just yet. The living room rules are about to change forever. If you like the video, subscribe, share the video, and hit the bell icon like that, and give your best opinion about this product.